Today, MAC new lipstick. Let me get the full name. It is called Powder Kids Velvet Blur Slim Stick. It is very hyper. I don't know why I only just bought 2. I should actually buy more colors, but anyway, I bought on Double 11 sale, but it arrived slightly later than I expected, so I didn't include in the episode 1 lipstick collections. But anyway, as is MAC, I think it's worth a video just for them. Let's hope. First time I'm trying this as well. First of all, let's have a look. The packaging is very, very sleek. Black and gold, never go wrong. And the shape itself, it actually look like what's it called? Mascara, right? It's very, very good weight, very sleek, very, very nice. And this time I got 2 colors now. One is 895 called Sorry Not Sorry, and the other one is 893 Sweet Cinnamon. Inside it looks like this, and when you do these swatches you feel silky creamy. It has a little bit MAC lipstick typical smell. It's not too strong. This one, Sweet Cinnamon, is literally one of their top hyper colors. I think it's just like it's described. It's like a cinnamon red color. And the other one, Sorry Not Sorry, is more towards pumpkin color. That's this too. They don't go to completely matte, but it's matte. It's like a silky matte. Matter than satin color. Let's see on the lip. Let's do the Sorry Not Sorry first. Very good pigmentation. This color, I'm not totally sure. I think the color itself, there is nothing wrong with it, but I think it just on my face. I think this would probably go for slightly darker skin tone or even darker skin tone. It just shows just tiny little bit luminate on my lip. It's not a ugly color per se, but I think this one just with myself is less matching, that put that way. I just looked into details. The formulation is very good quality as MAC. You see, you still see a tiny little bit, I wouldn't say reflection, but it's not completely matte. It's very, very lightweight, and you don't feel it goes drier and drier. And this one, see, the great thing is, although it doesn't really like covering or minimize visually the lip lines, but neither sink into it. You see, the lip lines over here, when I do this, is evenly spread out. No stickiness. Formulation I really, really like. I think it does transfer. Yeah, it does. See, no much impact on the lip itself. Okay, let's go for the Sweet Cinnamon. This one is way much better. This color is way much better. The Sweet Cinnamon, this color. Although it seems to become like more berry color rather than cinnamon. I think a cinnamon based color I thought would be more towards brown red. But I think when you apply it on the lip, especially let it set for a little while, you will see have more like raspberry pinkness in there. Raspberry red in there. It's a very interesting color because when I took a closer look, it seems to have a little bit more brown reflection But when I took a little bit more distance, like what I see from the monitor of my camera, it seems it has slightly stronger raspberry red in there. But overall, this one is a very, very nice color. It is a high pigment, bold color, but also daily wearable, neutral. I would say neutral enough to wear, especially for the autumn winter time. Because this one has you know, both undertones, like brown undertones, raspberry undertones. So I think this one would suit more skin tone and goes better with the makeup. So I think probably one of the reasons this was like one of the hypest color in this collection. And as seems like all the high-end lipsticks launch like slim versions, let's just quickly swatch NARS one, the slim version, as well as the YSL, which is kind of the first slim lipstick. So I quickly show you guys the formulation difference. So formulations only, YSL, MAC, and NARS. The difference straight away you will see is the reflection. NARS will go to completely matte and is kind of a minimum transfers as well. The YSL, the black slim one, it is more like neutral lip skin reflection, so it's more towards the satin matte, more towards. And the MAC one, both of them are very, very similar actually, but I think MAC one has like a minor silk reflection, if that makes sense. But in terms of the formulations, the YSL black slim one, it is more creamy, slightly thicker creamy feel. And the MAC one, when you especially glide on the hand as well as the lip, you feel creamy, silky. It's more like silk touch your lip. And the NARS one is like slippery, silky, if that makes all sense. So most silky feel, creamy and silky feel, more creamy feel. Three of them pigmentations perspective, they all high pigmentation, can cover your lip entirely. In terms of lasting, NARS lasts the longest. If you haven't seen my video of NARS one, I linked over here for you. I would say MAC and this YSL one, two of them are similar. Will be okay to drink waters, but definitely need touch up after a meal. Let's have a look at this color again, Sweet Cinnamon. I think the longer I wear it, the more I love it. It gives you a very high class, soft, lady, elegant lady style. Have you tried the new MAC Slim lipstick yet? Which one is your favorite color? Should I get the more colors and do more reviews with you guys? Do leave your comments down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one.